Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing the best affiliate marketing websites that can help you earn a passive income. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online without having your own product or service. Instead, you can promote products or services of others and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list of best affiliate marketing websites. 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce websites in the world, and it offers an excellent affiliate program. With Amazon Associates, you can promote millions of products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The commission rate varies based on the product category, but it can be up to 10% for some products. 2. ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular affiliate marketing website that offers a wide range of digital products, such as e-books, online courses, and software. It has a user-friendly platform that lets you to find and promote products easily. The commission rates on ClickBank can be as high as 75%. 3. ShareASale. ShareASale is another great affiliate marketing platform that has been around for over 20 years. It offers a wide range of products, including physical and digital products, and has a user-friendly dashboard that allows you to track your sales and commissions easily. 4. CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate is one of the largest affiliate networks in the world, and it offers a wide range of products from different niches. It has a user-friendly platform that allows you to find and promote products easily. The commission rates on CJ Affiliate vary based on the product category and can be as high as 50%. 5. Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing is a popular affiliate marketing website that offers a wide range of products from different niches, such as fashion, home, and electronics. It has a user-friendly platform that allows you to find and promote products easily. The commission rates on Rakuten Marketing vary based on the product category and can be up to 10%. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money online, and there are many great affiliate marketing websites that can help you earn a passive income. In this video, we discussed the top 5 best affiliate marketing websites, including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing. Choose the one that suits your niche and start promoting products today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.